In episode 1, we discussed how AI could shake SaaS companies. In episode 2, we saw the AI economic feedback loop. In episode 3, we questioned the per seat pricing model. Now, let's talk about something even bigger, the financial system behind all this. Private credit is basically loans given by private firms instead of banks. Think of it like shadow lending. Instead of going to bank, companies borrow from private investment funds. This market has grown to nearly 2.5 US dollar trillion globally, and a large part of it funds tech companies, growth startups, leverage buyouts, and commercial real estate. Now imagine this: if AI slows SaaS growth, if tech valuation fall, if companies generate lower cash flows, how do they repay these private loans? That's the concern. Private credit loans are often higher interest, less regulated, riskier than traditional bank loans. If defaults rises, losses can spread quickly. This is not the same as the 2008 mortgage crisis, but the comparison comes from structure. In 2008, risky loans were hiding inside the system. Today, private credit is less transparent and less regulated. When liquidity tightens, stress surfaces. So the real worry is not just AI replacing jobs. It's whether AI led slowdown could stress highly leveraged parts of the financial system. So in the next episode, we will talk about mortgage risk and what's the difference from the 2008. So stay with the series.